girl. How you doing?
Hey, girl, I'm doing good.
So anyway, girl, let me tell you about my life. Girl, everything is just bad.
Is it really? Comment, like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell. That bell. That bell. You know, people who call you just to check up on you, they are a whole bunch of menaces to society because you really don't care. Like, I would much rather you just be like, hey, like, can I just call you to talk to you? Like, don't even ask me how I'm doing because you don't care. You are selfishly calling for yourself because you don't even care to know how I'm feeling, what my thought process truly is. Because if you did, you would be quiet for maybe 5 to 10 minutes. Let me get off what I need to get off my chest. And then, you can come and talk my ear off or whatever. And I don't even want you to say anything to me. You can just be like, dang, really, girl? But make it sound genuine. Don't make it sound like you don't care. Because then by the time you get to talking, I'm not going to care. And then I'm going to cut you off because I got to go walk my pet fish. Yeah. Also, I think the worst kind of those people are the ones who hit you with the, like, you're the only person that I can really talk to. Me? Look on me. Look on me. The only one you feel comfortable talking to? That means, you're the biggest sucker that really listens to me. And it's not funny. Well, it's not funny, but like, to me, that's how I view it, because out of all the other friends you have, out of all the other family you have, you not comfortable telling them your business. Trust me, I know they comfortable telling you their business because you tell me anyway. But out of all the people, you comfortable with telling me, thank you, but no thank you, because now you making me exhausted. I don't want to hear you. Like, I don't want to listen to what you have to say, especially since you show no real concern for me and my feelings. I got feelings. I need to vent sometimes. It don't got to be about anything serious, but I need to get some things off my chest too. But yeah, those kind of people, they are menaces to society. My advice to you guys who really genuinely don't care and you just want to vent, be real about it. Just like, I just want to call you to vent. Or, if you're gonna ask someone how they doing, can you just listen for 5 to 10 minutes before you talk about yourself? Because let me tell you something. Those are the kind of people, too, that can talk your ear off. You're not getting no 20, 30 minutes. They're gonna talk your ear off for an hour. But guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like what you see, like what you hear, comment, like, share, and subscribe. Hey, until next time. Until next time. Oh, and don't forget to hit that bell. That what? Hit that bell. That bell. So you can get my notifications. Guys, guess what? It's Friday. Happy Friday. It's Friday. Happy Friday. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Until next time. Bye.